just made a sort of metaverse thing, right? I mean, it is spatial internet, and you get to walk around a building with David Attenborough, and you have this incredible experience going through all these different lands, and as you said, doing things that you could never normally do. And I'd like to think, having seen kids, come out of it completely lit up and going, oh my, I really want, I need to do more, and I want to recycle. And mum, can we plant stuff in the garden? And I want, getting completely excited and all the rest of it. That gives me a lot of hope, because I hope that through doing positive, meaningful, purpose-driven, um, expressive, immersive experiences, and again, I don't want to sound too cheesy, but I do think we can change people's perception. I do think we can build empathy. I do think that we can activate and motivate people a lot more to be better and do the right thing and make better decisions. And this experience